Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Disconnect the charger and power down the MacBook Pro before any inspection or cleaning. Unplug every accessory and remove any cases that cover the charging port. Inspect the charger cable and adapter for frayed wires, bent pins, or melted insulation near connectors. Smell for burning odors that indicate heat damage inside the adapter. Check the wall outlet with another device and test a different outlet if needed. Avoid using extension cords unless they are rated for the adapter wattage. Gently clean the MacBook port using a wooden toothpick and compressed air only. Avoid metal tools that can short pins or damage contacts inside the port. For MagSafe models, remove debris and ensure the magnetic pins are visible and aligned without corrosion. For USB-C models, use compressed air and inspect for bent pins or lint blocking the connection. After cleaning, connect a known good charger, an authentic Apple wattage adapter, to see if charging resumes. Test with another cable to isolate cable versus adapter failures. Reset the SMC using model-specific steps to restore charging management functions on your MacBook Pro. Shut down, hold the required modifier keys for your model, then restart and verify charging status. Update Mac OS to the latest supported version and check system report for charger wattage, battery health, and AC connection status. Confirm the adapter shows the expected wattage and the battery cycle count is reasonable. If charging still fails after these steps, replace the adapter or visit Apple service for battery or port repair.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.